All right, we are back again. Last week, we introduced the Scratch contest that we're going to be participating in for January 2022. So you can check out that video to see how to get started with Scratch, how to look at the tutorial for chase games, and get started. The contest doesn't start until January 1st. But in the meantime, you can be going through tutorials, learning how to work this platform so that you're ready on January 1st. They will announce the theme and we can get started. Every Thursday, we will be in the Zoom room at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time so that you can come in, show us what you're working on, ask questions, and we'll just kind of work together to help each other here. So this week, I want to let you know how to register for the game. So just go to this website, IKCC.info. And here you'll be able to look at the rules and the results. That was great to look at what other kids had submitted in the past for their projects. That'll give you some good ideas there. And then you can hit register now. And this will get you registered for the competition coming up January 1st. Nothing happens until January 1st, but then the button will, I think it'll, change to start now or something so on January 1st, we'll be able to jump in and see what the competition is all about and get started. We have till the end of January to complete our games. And so we'll look forward to seeing you in the Zoom room. If you have questions or if you want to share what you're working on, you can email me or text at 949-291-2460 so that we can get you into the Zoom room and we'll help each other out and have a good time getting ready for this January contest. All right, see you then.